In this video, we will learn more about IO-Link. You will learn what IO-Link is and what the purpose of IO-Link is. We will also learn what problems IO-Link will solve. Field bus communication covers vertical integration right up to total plant control, and it ends at the field level hub. It unfortunately does not include the link to the lowest level, the sensor-actuator level. Modern-day sensors and actuators equipped with multiple functions and intelligence usually require configuration and also can supply the controls with process data, digital signals or analog measured values, and diagnostic information. Because field bus communication does not include the sensor and actuator level, the integration of intelligent sensors and actuators usually requires additional wiring and proprietary interface solutions. IO-Link provides the communication between sensors and actuators. Being the first universally standardized interface in control technology, IO-Link transmits all sensor and actuator signals to the controller. Likewise, IO-Link passes control data down to the lowest sensor level. All this makes automation even more powerful than ever before, and it does it by simple means, the three-wire connector. Now let's take a closer look at IO-Link technology and how it was created. IO-Link is a simple new standard field bus, independent and open communications interface which integrates conventional and intelligent binary, analog or digital sensors and actuators into automation systems without additional effort or expense. IO-Link is not a new bus system. It is a serial bidirectional point-to-point connection between IO-Link master device and the sensor or actuator. IO-Link transfers the well-known signal technology of binary signal interface and, as an add-on, can transmit I/O data via serial protocol. It eliminates the bottleneck between the sensor and field bus level by making today's binary standard sensor interface capable to communicate. When defining IO-Link, for reasons of investment security, particular emphasis was placed from the very beginning on maintaining as much compatibility as possible with the existing technology. IO-Link uses existing communication systems all the way down to the actuators and sensors. And therefore, IO-Link is 100% compatible to existing technology in terms of cabling, and utilizes existing field bus communications platform, for example Profibus, Profinet, etc. IO-Link meets the backwards compatibility with standard sensors and actuators. Thus, binary IO-Link sensors and actuators can always be connected to existing I/O modules. Likewise, a sensor which doesn't have communications capabilities can still be connected to an IO-Link I/O module. IO-Link uses the familiar low-cost and unshielded standard industrial three-wire cable for all connections between IO-Link interface and sensors actuators regardless of their complexity. IO-Link sends the communication signal across the same three-wire cable used to supply the 24-volt power to the sensor. In this way, IO-Link adds intelligence and flexibility to a standard commercial unshielded three-wire cable. What benefits does IO-Link have to offer? There are three main benefits: installation, parameterization, diagnostics. An IO-Link solution just requires one type of connecting cable, a standard non-shielded three-wire cord set. Sensors and actuators are smart, meaning they usually possess microprocessors for parameterization and internal data processing. This provides comfortable parameter data upload, download, and data administration facilities. Additionally, centralized online access to diagnostics information on individual field devices and on the entire machine are also attainable. With IO-Link, a process and a service channel are made available. Installation. An IO-Link solution just requires one type of connecting cable, a standard non-shielded three-wire cord set. All connectors are standard M12 type. No enclosures or field wiring is needed. Just one IO-Link port is needed to connect the sensor to the field bus. At the same, IO-Link gives access to process data and service data of the sensor. Parameterization. IO-Link allows device configuration data to be stored and managed from a central position by a remote control system. The replacement of faulty devices is simple using IO-Link. As soon as a new device is connected, the IO-Link controller detects the device and automatically transfers the parameter sets to the new device so that the device does not need to be readjusted. This minimizes machine downtimes. With its central parameter storage capability, IO-Link offers an effective multiplication of parameter sets that have to be created just once instead of having to set each individual parameter for each device separately. This allows for quick, error-free remote inspection, switching and batch changing in the production line. Diagnostics. These functions are mostly not accessible through conventional interfaces. Additional wiring is usually required to receive access to the device's diagnostic information. IO-Link provides remote and centralized access to comprehensive diagnostic information on sensors and actuators in the field. With IO-Link, the customer can design a general diagnostic concept without additional complex and costly wiring. IO-Link assures error pinpointing all the way down to the sensor actuator level. Instead of frequent preventive maintenance, service can be need-based and helps reduce machine downtime. With IO-Link, faults can be diagnosed at an early stage, so that precautionary measures to be conducted ahead of time and thus help increase equipment reliability and operational availability. IO-Link devices can provide information about the device status. Examples for diagnostic messages include malfunction of the device, contamination, undervoltage, pressure loss, overheating, time exceeded, etc. Cable break, loss of communication,